Good morning students. Today in computer we will study about a gaggle of gadgets. A gaggle of gadgets means a group of gadgets. The Windows 7 desktop usually consists of a sidebar on the extreme right. This sidebar is a strip along the desktop's right edge that retains a small group of programs called gadgets. These small programs display weather updates, instant message, program and other tasks. The Windows 7 sidebar keeps the gadgets and let them move freely on the desktop. You can access these by right clicking on your desktop and selecting gadgets as shown in this picture. Right click, then after you can click in gadgets option. On selecting gadgets, a list of gadgets will appear as shown in the screen below. As showing in this picture: calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, feed, headlines, picture puzzle, slideshow, weather. These all include in gadgets. By default, a gaggle of gadgets provides 8 gadgets, that is calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, feed, headlines, picture puzzle, slideshow and weather. If you click on the Show Details button, it will display the details of the selected application calendar. If you want to insert more gadgets, then you have to click on Get More Gadgets online hyperlink, which provides you a list of online gadgets that you have to install in your computer through online. Okay. Now next given here, computer. The computer icon allows user to explore the contents of their computer drives as well as manage all computer files on the computer. It is also used to see the drives and other hardware connected to the computer as shown in this picture. Using the computer option is helpful in managing the overall operations of different drives and folders. Double click on computer and then select the relevant drive where your folders inside. Like this, here showing local disk C, local disk D. You can open any disk, local C or local drive where you have saved your file or folder. Drive properties. The properties option can be accessed by right clicking on the selected drive. For example, local disk D, select property option. Then showing like this only. Here is showing downside at last properties. You can see properties about local disk D. After clicking on properties option, the local disk D properties dialog box appears as shown below. Here is showing so many options like security, previous versions, etc. And here is showing also space, used space and free space, both showing here. Capacity, disk cleanup, this all option is showing in properties. The general tab in the local disk D properties dialog box illustrates the capacity, used space and free space details of the local D drive in the form of a pie chart. Now showing here recycle bin. The recycle bin represents a temporary storage area for files and folders that have been deleted by the users. When you delete files and folders, they are not permanently deleted from the hard disk until you press the Shift plus Delete key. The files and folders are deleted permanently if users use different storage locations, such as disk, CD or network location other than the local storage device like C or D. A file or folder cannot be deleted if it is open for another program. Therefore, you must First close the file to perform the deleting operations. You need to locate and open the folder that contains the file that you want to delete. Right click on the selected file to get the shortcut menu. Here you will get the delete option as shown in the screen below. Okay, then click delete. Here showing create shortcut, delete, rename, property. Then you have to, for deleting, you have to click on delete option. The deleted file will be sent to the recycle bin folder. Double click the recycle bin icon to see the recently deleted item. The file can be restored by selecting restore option as showing in this picture. The recycle bin restores files and folder at the same place from where they were deleted. You can also save deleted items by dragging them to the desktop. To delete files and folders permanently, press delete or del key on the selected item inside the recycle bin. To delete all the files and folders, in the recycle bin, right click the recycle bin and then selected empty recycle bin. Okay, so this is about recycle bin. You watch this video, and if any doubt about this topic, then consult it into meeting. Tomorrow we will study about task bar.